I shoplifted over $6,000 worth of clothing in one stint. This happened almost 10 years ago when I was a teenager. I worked as a sales associate at a well-known skate retail store. It was a cool job, but my store manager was awful, rude, aggressive, and constantly bullying the staff. Despite that, I crushed my sales goals daily, often doubling them. One quarter, the store's numbers were slightly behind. Instead of acknowledging that 2 new associates weren't pulling their weight, the store manager blamed me. She accused me of giving discounts and letting people shoplift, which I hadn't done. I was furious and decided to give her something real to complain about. One Sunday morning, I went into work with a plan. The assistant manager was hungover, so I convinced him to take a nap in the back, promising not to tell if he let me handle all the sales for the day. He agreed. Cue my friends, 4 of them, including one who used to work at the store. They came in with large beach bags, pretending to shop. While I helped actual customers, one friend would bring their purchase to the counter. I'd remove the security tags, and they'd head to the fitting room to bag the items before taking them to their cars. They'd wait 20 minutes, come back, and repeat the process. We had a list of items we wanted, and I even piled my own picks on the counter. Within an hour, my friends cleared out over $6,000 worth of merchandise and left. The assistant manager woke up clueless. I finished my shift, and we split the loot later that night. I quit the next day. Months later, I heard the shrink, missing inventory. Numbers were so bad, the store manager got demoted. Was it wrong? Absolutely. Do I regret it? Honestly, not even a